Hello, good evening everyone. For today's update, I focus on the refactoring of the front end that we currently have. So I completely ported now the Able Pro template UI from the existing Able Pro design to our code base. As you can see here, we have now the multiple components from Able Pro, the layouts. They have multiple layouts such as a blank layouts, and then we can choose on with the horizontal header and sidebar, and also for the vertical. I also updated the plugins and the stores. I'm still using some of the stores from Able Pro, but I'll be updating this one as the development continues. And the router, we have two router, the authentication router, which mainly for the public routes, and we have the main routes for the dashboard and navigation for the secure routes once we already log in. So for the pages and authentication, I actually completed now the authentication. However, this still needs to be optimized and implement some of the authentication logics coming to backend. Now, for the pages, we have the dashboard and the maintenance and under construction page. The maintenance usually the 404, error, etc. And the under construction page is more on the template for the features that has not been developed. And then for the main file, I got almost everything that will be needed for the loading. So I already load the initial fonts and the SVG sprite, which is responsible for the design, some of the icon design, and also for other necessary libraries such as the Beautify, the router, the Pinya, and etc. Now, if we take a look at this is the current dashboard. Once we log in, I still haven't updated the logo since we still don't have one. The customizer is working properly as well, so we can change it from light mode, dark mode, and auto. Then we can change the contrast and also the header for vertical and horizontal. Of course, the color, we can also change it. Can refresh to revert back the changes. So normally the customizer, it's either we will going to remove it, depends on discussion, or we will going to have it stored on the local storage. And for the login logout, we have here now this initial login based from the Figma, and this is the landing page from the Figma as well. I updated this part to indicate the privacy policy and also the terms of service, and I just copied the contents from Able Pro for this navigation. Now, if we click on sign in with Google, there's still not yet implemented. There's no functionalities for this one yet. While when we click the continue work with email, we can see the login here. There's some default information that I added for testing purposes. Keep me sign in or remember me. And then we have the sign up, sign in, and once we click sign in, we will be redirected to the dashboard. So right now the dashboard is still in progress, and I will be working on for this one by tomorrow to finish all of the layout screens that has been developed already. Okay, that's all for now on my end. Thank you.